first ones here.
Monty, why do we park so far away?
Because when everyone is fighting to get out of the game, we're the first ones out, right? Come on, I'll race you.
Monty, season doesn't start till November.
It's okay, Ryan. Let's just head to the summer circuit.